Hey everyone! Ever wondered how digital banks and fintechs actually operate behind the scenes? Faced with monocle, they often don't have their own banking licenses, so they rely on traditional financial institutions. A great example of this is Neon, a popular Brazilian digital bank. We're going to dive into the question, which bank underlies Neon services? Neon is a fintech company, not a bank with its own banking charter. This is a crucial distinction. It means they can't hold your money or process transactions directly under their own name. Instead, they partner with a licensed bank that handles all the heavy lifting of a traditional financial institution. This partnership model allows fintechs to focus on creating an excellent user experience and innovative features without the massive regulatory and operational burdens of becoming a full-fledged bank. It's a win-win. The fintech gets to innovate quickly, and the partner bank gets to tap into a new customer base and modern technology. So, who's the partner for Neon? For its core financial services, Neon has a long-standing partnership with Banco Votorantim, now known as BV. This relationship goes back to 2019, when BV participated in a significant funding round for Neon. This partnership allows Neon to provide all the services we've come to expect from a digital bank: checking accounts, debit and credit cards, loans, and investment options. BV, or Banco Votorantim, is a major Brazilian bank with a solid reputation. This partnership ensures that all the money held in Neon accounts is secure and backed by a regulated financial institution. In addition to BV, Neon has also received investment from other major players in the financial world, including BBVA, a global banking giant. While BBVA is a major investor, BV is the bank that directly underlies Neon's day-to-day operations and holds customer deposits. So, the next time you use a fintech like Neon, remember that there's a reliable, regulated bank working behind the app to keep your money safe. This partnership model is the secret sauce that powers the digital banking revolution, combining the security and trust of traditional banks with the speed and innovation of a modern tech company. It's a powerful combination that's reshaping the financial landscape.